What can I do to make you want me? What have I got to be heard? What do I say when it's over, baby? And sorry seems to be the hardest word. Listen, it's all evaluation. More and more observed. It's sad, so sad. Why can't we talk it over? Oh, it seems to me sorry has to be the hardest word. Now hush, little baby, don't you cry. Everything's gonna be alright. Living off that little lady, I told you that's gonna hold you through the night. Down here right now, you don't know why. Feel what I feel inside. And you look crazy, pretty baby. Promise mama's gonna be alright. I see you sad, even when you smile, even when you laugh, I can see it in your eyes. Deep inside you wanna cry, 'cause you're scared I ain't there. That's what you wiping tears. Don't wanna cry and wipe them tears. Sad, so sad, sad situation. Oh, it seems to me that sorry seems to be. Sorry seems to be the hardest word. Hope you guys like that.